Pawb yn barod? Ffwrdd â ni felly. Be sydd yn mynd i ddigwydd heddiw? Da ni'n mynd i siarad chi drwy yr hack, be sy'n mynd i ddigwydd ar y Mawrth y cynta, be ydych chi angen wneud cyn hynny, a be ydy yr hack, be da ni'n disgwyl gennych chi. I helpu fi efo'r rhan gynta, mae gen i'n cydweithwyr Tom Burke. Tom fydd yn edrych ar eich ceisiadau ac fydd yn helpu penderfynu pwy sy'n cael mynd drwadd i'r hack. Felly, cyn i fi sôn am y manylion, mae'n bryd i ni wybod be ydy'r hack a be da ni chwilio am. Cwestiynau pwysig iawn, a pwy well i'w ateb na yn rheolwr arloesi digidol. Tom, wyt ti yn barod i siarad ni drwy be wyt ti'n chwilio am efo'r hackiaeth?
Sure, diolch Em. So I'm Tom Burke, the Digital Innovation Manager here at MSpark, and I'll be overseeing the whole hack. Diolch yn fawr iawn I Em for hosting today, and Em will hopefully hosting the actual hack pitching event on the 1st of March. So what are we looking for in the hack? Well, first of all, it needs to be a project which fits into one of these categories. So it could be research and development, which means that you're looking into researching a technology that will enhance use of the Welsh language in Wales or beyond. So that could be research and development. You could be working with a university there. It could be a proof of concept. So that means that it may be a product, an app, or something like that you are taking to the point just before you can kind of go for extra funding, something, and it doesn't have to be a finished product in that sense. So proof of concept literally just means you're actually proving out that it is something you could take further on. With all of these as well, it's great for us to see that there's an element of commercialization involved in it. So think about when I've developed this project or when I've got it to this stage, what are the next steps to make sure that it can go out into the market and self-fund or help your business. It could be a service that adds functionality to a pre-existing app or product that you've developed or perhaps someone else has developed. So in that instance, it might be adding Welsh language element to an app that doesn't have it currently. It could be the creation of a pilot, which is sort of the next stage from proof of concept. Perhaps you've already got your proof of concept, and this stage would really about creating that sort of minimal viable product. So something that could go out there and you could test on a few people, but might not be quite ready for the market. Or it could be to complete a product or a service. You could use the whole grant to actually, from start to finish, create an application, a SaaS platform, software as a service platform, or something like that, which then goes out into the wider world. So it's quite wide in terms of how far you can use this funding to take your project. And as I kind of pointed out, we're not necessarily looking for that finished, polished product. It could be any of those elements. So just quickly again, it could be research and development, proof of concept, add functionality to an existing service, creation of a pilot, or a new product or service completion. So I'm just going to pause there now just to see if there's any questions anyone has on that.
Diolch, Tom. Os mae yna cwestiynau, croeso I chi unau tynnu'ch hun oddi ar mute, neu os ydych chi'n licio neu hynna, dim problem, gewch chi fynd I y chat ar y top, neu gewch chi fynd I Q&A. Os ydych chi'n defnyddio Q&A, fydd eich cwestiynau yn hollol anonymous. So os ydych chi eisiau gofyn rhywbeth, ydych chi'n meddwl sy'n cwestiwn gwirion, which dos o ddim fath beth, croeso chi roed o'n hwnna hefyd. So unrhyw cwestiwn, mynd â cyfle ar y diwedd hefyd I gofyn cwestiynau, ond os ydych chi eisiau gofyn rhywbeth am hynna rwan, please gwnewch.
Brill, diolch Em. So yeah, as I mentioned in that, we're really looking for a way for you to actually commercialize this in the long term. So even if it's a proof of concept, so you need to think about what happens once it's gone past the proof of concept stage through to developing a product and out into the wider world. How is it going to sustain itself? How is it going to be making your business money? So you really need to think about like that commercialization aspect. After that, we'd like to know what your idea is. So we're not necessarily looking for a huge kind of explanation here, but if you can give us an overview of the idea, an overview of the project, where it's at now, where you want it to be, that's really going to help us. Also, if you could think about the kind of impact it will have. So how will adding this service or application help to increase use of Welsh language in a more day-to-day setting for people, say at work or, in their kind of daily lives? How is it going to increase that using technology and innovation? The next thing, which is really important, is we're looking for something that's very innovative. And what I mean by innovative is it needs to be something that isn't really seen so much out there at the moment, or isn't seen with the Welsh language at the moment. And there's a number of technologies that would like to be involved in the development of whatever it is you're launching at some point. So the first one would be AI. And just to point out before I actually go through this list, it doesn't have to be all of these. It could be one of them, it could be two of them, could be all of them, but it doesn't have to be. So the first one would be AI, which if you've been watching the news of late, you'll probably recognize. If you haven't, it means artificial intelligence. So that's using artificial intelligence technologies within your application, or within your not within your application to apply, but within the application that you develop, within the product that you release, or within the software that you're developing. It could be virtual reality, augmented reality, or extended reality. So that's kind of a catch-all term. You may have heard the acronyms for them, which are VR, AR, and XR. But really, that's where you're either putting on a headset and you're in a virtual space and you're able to interact with that. It might be augmented reality, where you can interact with things in the real world using a device like your phone, or if you're lucky enough to have one, Quest 3 or an Apple Vision Pro when they finally arrive in the UK. So that kind of augmented reality is a mix between that virtual world and what's going on in the real world. Could be, you're looking at your phone, looking through your phone at the table, and then there's a little 3D image or something like that being produced on it. It could be something that's data based. So within the realms of what goes on in the background of these programs, there's a lot of data being managed. Perhaps you can find a way to work the Welsh language into that. It could be how we're taking data in English and changing it into Welsh so that it's more accessible for people using Welsh as their first language on these tools. So database can mean a lot of things, really, but generally it's about sorting and handling information. It could be an app. So if anyone's got a smartphone, you more than likely will have an app on it. I think we all know what apps are by now, but for those who don't, it's an application on your device that allows you to interact with software and can provide some kind of either fun or useful service. So that should be clear enough, but if not, just ask me any questions. And the final one is, it could be a SaaS platform. So the acronym SaaS, which means software as a service. And this could be a platform where people go to, I don't know, it could be a shop, it could be an element of the work that you do, where the platform makes that easier. And anywhere that basically this software is acting as a service to the people that are using it. So those are the 5 areas that we are looking for in terms of innovative technologies. One of those as a minimum has to be in what it is you're actually applying for within the hack. So I'll just go through them quickly again. So we've got AI, artificial intelligence. We've got VR, AR, XR, which is your virtual reality, augmented reality, extended reality. We've got data-based. We've got applications, and we've got that SaaS platform, so software as a service platform. So as long as it contains one of those, and as long as it fits into one of those areas of research development, proof of concept, etc., that I described before, then it will be eligible. After that, we're going to ask you how to explain how your idea utilizes one of these. So it's really important, actually, that when you're thinking about your product, your service, or whatever it is, that you can then describe how this innovative technology, this is going to be used within the product itself. Also, the why and what makes the idea necessary and different from anything else currently in existence. So really think about the goals of the hack is to introduce the Welsh language more commonly for people so that they feel like they can, in the normal workday, use it more, or in their kind of day-to-day lives, use it more. And this technology somehow enables that. What makes your idea help that goal? What makes it necessary? So think about the problems people are facing at the moment where they can't use Welsh when they want to. How will this idea, how will this project actually enable them to do that? Also, have a really good think about if there's anything else out there at the moment that is currently doing this. If there is, then it might not be the right one, but it may be that you can develop something which takes whatever's out there to another level. So have a really good think, have a look around at what's out there, and importantly, what sort of impact is it going to have? And then finally, it's really good if you can find collaborators to help you with this. So when you're working on big projects or software development, oftentimes you'll need to find other people who can help you with certain skills that you don't have. So we're looking for those kind of connections, those collaborations between yourselves, between other businesses, between universities, perhaps. If your product, service, application, whatever it is, actually brings other people in, then that's a really big box for us as well to be ticked. So the more kind of collaborations, the more innovations that are going on is going to really kind of make us look happily upon that. Finally, the hack will be happening on March the 1st. So I think that's in about a week's time. Yeah, so it's a week tomorrow, St. David's Day. And what we'll ask for between now and then is that you go online, you fill out the Google form for the hack, which has a lot of this information that I've just talked about. You then leave that with us, and we will select the people that we would like to go to pitch on March the 1st. At that point, you'll be notified, obviously, and then either bring those people together to pitch with you, or pitch on your own, or find someone in your team who's particularly good at pitching. And on March the 1st, we'll have another session online like this, where each of the applicants who've been selected from this will be able to pitch, and a number of judges, some of whom are with us today, will be able to look at that and award, hopefully, at the end of that pitching process. So that's quite a good fun event. And even if you don't get through to actually pitch at that, it's something we'd like people to come and be involved in and watch. I don't think there is anything else from my perspective, Emily.
No, but we've got a question for you in the chat, so I'll read it aloud in case the recording doesn't pick the chat up. Does it need to target Welsh users? My idea involves teaching lots of global users, 90% American, a little bit of Welsh in a fun way, and hopefully putting Wales on their radar.
That's a really good question. Yeah, so the aim of it really is to increase the use of Welsh and make it more accessible for people as a kind of day-to-day thing. So I would say that if it was enabling that, it's more likely to go through than like a training tool for people who might not be using it every day. However, if people in America are doing that, then there's a possibility. So I guess it depends on how you might approach the application in that respect.
Diolch am hynna, Tom. Ti 'di dweud dipyn o be ni'n mynd i ddweud nesaf sy'n helpu fi. So croeso i chi cer ymlaen, rhoi cwestiynau yn y chat, a fydd yna cyfle ar y diwedd un hefyd am rhagor. Na i jyst fynd trwy chydig o be mae Tom 'di dweud yn barod o'r rhan be da ni angen nesaf gyda chi. Felly, wrth gwrs, y peth gyntaf da ni angen ydy syniad. Ewch draw i'n gwefan, diolch yn fawr Pryderi am roed y ddolen yna yn y chat i chi. Fyddwch chi isio, mae'n debyg, bookmarkio y tudalen yna, oherwydd fanna fydda ni'n rhoi manylion wrth i ni mynd yn y blaenau. So, heddiw, dydd Llun, wrth i ni mynd ymlaen, fydd y tudalen yna yn newid. Fydda ni'n gallu rhoi cwestiynau, os da ni'n cael lot o'r un cwestiwn arno fo i chi wybod, fydd y recordiad yma arno fo i chi gael gweld a clywed hwn eto. Fydd yna manylion am sut i gyfrestru ar cyntaf, fydd phopeth da chi angen ar y tudalen yna, so werth mynd iddo fo. Tom, sa chdi hefyd yn gallu rhoi dy e-bost i yn y chat, please, os oes gennych chi cwestiwn technegol am yr hack i hun a cyn llenwi y ffurflen Google na, jyst eisiau holi, ydy hwn yn oce, gai jyst gofyn rhywbeth, croeso chi e-bostio Tom, fod i'r dyn i'ch helpu. So, fydd y ffurflen Google na yn holl bwysig. Mae eisiau chi llenwi fo efo cymaint o manylion a sy'n bosib. Fyddan ni'n defnyddio hwnna unai i benderfynu bod chi'n cael mynd trwad i pitio, neu illai partneru chi efo rhywun. Os mae yna dau syniad digon tebyg fel bod ni'n gweld nhw'n cystadleuol, efallai benawn ni ydy dod ata chi a gofyn os da chi eisiau partneru fyny. Mae hynna'n peth da, mae hynna'n golygu mae gennych chi fwy o siawns i mynd ymlaen i pitio, a mi fyddan ni yn wneud hynna. So ni yn awgrymu, bod Tom wedi mynd drwyddo fe ni, bod chi yn darllen y cynllawiau o'n ofalus iawn. Maen nhw'n bwysig iawn i ddilyn. Da ni wedi cael lot o bobl yn dweud, o, dwi hyn ddim beth chi wedi gofyn am, ond mae gennau syniad gwych. A tra bod ni wastad eisiau clywed syniadau gwych, mae'n bwysig iawn bod nhw tro hwn yn dilyn y cynllawiau. So mae hwnna'n bwysig iawn. Mae fatha, os ydych chi'n cofio wneud eich tygau, fel oedden nhw'n deitha chi, peth gyntaf ydych chi'n wneud ydy agor y papur a darllen trwy'r holl cwestiynau gyntaf, cyn i chi hyd yn oed dechrau sgwennu ddim byd. A so ni'n dweud yr union yr un peth sy'n wir yn fan hyn. So, lle i fynd am manylion na fo, mae'r dolen yna sawl gwaith i chi gyd, felly gewch chi fynd i sbio ar hwnna. Ac sefyllwch efo Tom os o wbath ar goll. Yn y cyfamser, mi fydden ni'n edrych arnyn nhw gyd a cysylltu efo chi. Ar y cyntaf felly, be fydd yn digwydd? Wel, cyntaf, croeso cynnes i chi gyd ymuno efo ni. Os da chi am pitio, os da chi wedi cael drwad neu ddim, croeso mawr i chi ddod i wylio ar y dydd a gweld beth sy'n digwydd. Mae wastad yn gyffrous, da ni'n cael lot o hwyl, ac efallai bod chi eisiau gweld os mae yna partneriaid allan am syniadau arall, illa di'r pres ddim yn bwysig i chi, illa byddwch chi eisiau gweld ydy pwy arall sy'n meddwl am syniadau. So croeso i unrhyw un ddod i weld yr hack. Hwna di'r peth pwysig i nodi i ddechrau. Yn ail, os da chi'n llwyddiannus, mi fyddach chi wedi derbyn e-bost gyda ni mewn dabryd. Please cadwch llygad ar eich junk folder mwy na thebyg nawn ni ddiweddaru yn eich folder junk. Felly, pwysig iawn i chi cadw ymlaen i checio gyn Tom fydd yr e-bost yn dod. Felly, gnewch yn siŵr bod chi'n derbyn yr e-bost gyda ni. Mi fydd hwnna yn nodi bod chi drwad i pitio, a fydd o hefyd roed eich amser pitio i chi. So, fydd pawb yn cael slot penodol o amser mwyn wneud y pitch. Mi fyddach chi'n neud o'n fyw o flaen pawb, a'r peth pwysig i nodi ydy peidiwch â poeni. Dwi'n gwybod i siarad yn gyhoeddus, ddim i bawb. Dwi'n hun yn nerfus yn wneud hwn, dwi'n fel o Tom chydig bach yn nerfus yn wneud un fo. Mae hynna yn hollol naturiol. Da ni ddim yn gofyn i chi troi fyny fatha Alan Sugar yn confident i fynd ac di wneud hyn ers blynyddoedd. Da ni yma i helpu chi efo rhan yna. Y syniad sy'n bwysig i chi ddod efo chi, a bob dim arall, da ni yma i gefnogi a helpu chi efo. Os ydych chi'n nerfus am y tech, fedrwn ni helpu chi efo hwnna sydd wedi cyflwyno bob dim fel yna. Da ni yna i roed help llaw i chi. So does o ddim angen poeni am ddim byd ond cael syniad gwych. Ar ôl i pawb pitio, mi fydden ni'n cymryd seibiant a fydda drosodd i ein beirniaid ni. Fydden nhw yn mynd i ffwrdd i wneud y penderfyniad yna ac yn y man, a fydd pawb yn dod yn ôl i clywed yn fyw ar y dydd pwy sydd wedi ennill. So, mae'n exciting iawn, mae o yn digwyddiad da ni'n mwynhau wneud, a dwi'n siŵr nhw chi gyd mwynhau cymryd rhan hefyd. Na i just checio ar fy rhestr bod wedi mynd trwy bob dim. Do, dwi'n meddwl, ond fel dwi'n dweud, os dwi wedi methu wbath, gawn ni cwestiynau ar y diwedd. A peidiwch â jyst cymryd yng ngair i am yr hack. Dwi eisiau cyflwyno rhywun sydd wedi pitio a sydd wedi ennill o'r blaen, a sydd mynd i ddeithio ni chydig bach am ei brofiad o Alex. Gai fynd drosodd at chdi at y pwynt yma, please?
Yes, hello, shwmae bawb, gweithio bod pawb yn okay. Just o siarad am fy mhrofiad i o ennill yr hack. So, o'n i'n rhan o'r hack gyntaf nôl yn 2022. So ar y pryd o'n i'n athro cynradd yn gweithio fel athro yn amlwg yn dysgu plant, a wedi gweld bwlch mawr, really, gyda y ffordd oedd plant yn dysgu sut i ddarllen. Ddyn nhw'n colli diddordeb yn y llyfrau Cymraeg oedd ar gael o ran y cyfresu darllen. Oedd rieni adre yn ffeindio fe'n anodd iawn i gefnogi eu plant nhw hefyd. A just adnoddau yn gyffredinol ar gael yn y Gymraeg i'r plant ddefnyddio. Felly, so gyda'r yr arian wnaethon ni ennill yn yr hac, wnaethon ni ati wedyn ni adeiladu llwyfan newydd. Rannu sgrin ydych chi, gweithio hwnna'n weithio. So wnaethon ni ati adeiladu platfform neu llwyfan darllen, lle mae'r plant wedyn ar draws Cymru yn gallu mewn gyfnodi'r system a gallu ymarfer eu darllen. Felly, bydde hwn ddim wedi bod yn bosib heb yr arian, really. Felly, o'r cyllid hynny, dyn ni wedi adeiladu busnes nawr sydd yn eitha cynaliadwy. A erbyn hyn, mae gyda ni bron i 40,000 o blant yn ddefnyddio'r system bron yn wythnosol. Felly, so mae'n rhywbeth dyn ni wedi adeiladu, so beth yn gyffredinol mae plant yn gallu mewn gyfnodi'r system. Maen nhw'n gallu cael tasgau wedi gosod gan yr athro. Maen nhw wedyn yn gallu mynd mewn i'r llyfrau ac wedyn yn gallu agor y llyfrau, darllen y llyfrau ac ati. Mae'r llyfrau i gyd yn dod gyda llyfr llafar, felly mae'r plant yn gallu gwrando ar y llyfrau. Oedd yr arian i gyd wedi talu am yr MVP fel bethau, sef y fersiwn cyntaf oll o'r wefan. Gyda'r wefan wedyn wnaethon ni allan i ysgolion i weld a profi'r farchnad, i weld os oedd angen am y peth ac ati. A o'r cynllun peilot wedyn ni, wnaeth pob ysgol symud ymlaen i archebu gyda ni. So oedd Tom yn sôn am y SaaS products yma, so dyna beth ydyn ni fel yn gyffredinol, so software as a service, mae'r ysgolion yn talu tanysgrifiad i ni yn flynyddol ar gyfer yn dibynnu ar faint o blant sydd gyda nhw'n yr ysgol, a wedyn mae'r plant wedyn yn gallu cael mynediad at y llyfrau ar y athrawon wedyn yn gallu edrych ar eu ochr nhw, ac yn gallu gosod tasgau ac ati. So platfform darllen yn gyffredinol yw yn fwy falle penodol i'r plant, so mae'r plant yn gallu ateb quizzes, gwella darllen y deall ac ati. So ar y pryd oedd gyda ni cwbl o lyfrau i fynd ar y wefan, ond doedd ddim gwefan gyda ni o gwbl, ond gyda'r 30,000 wnaethon ni ennill ar y pryd, oedd hwnna wedi galluogi ni adeiladu'r platfform gyda'r cwmni, a wedyn mynd allan i'r ysgolion wedyn gyda'r system. A fel ni'n sôn, mae gyda ni tua 255 ysgol erbyn hyn a bron i 40,000 o blant yn ddefnyddio'r system. Felly, byddwn ni ddim wedi gallu cyrraedd ble ni heddi heb yr hac yma. Felly, pob lwc gyda'ch ymgeisio a pethau fel yna. A falle nawn ni weld chi wrthnos nesaf hefyd ar yr diwrnod pitio. So, dyna ni, rili.
Briliant. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Alex. Ffantastig. So fel ydych chi'n gweld, mae'r hac yn wir, mae wedi digwydd o blaen, a mae arian yn wir wneud gwahaniaeth. Be dwi eisiau pwysleisio ydy, dwi'n eisiau chi gyd rwan mynd, mae hwnna wedi ennill, syniad gwych, fedra i wneud rhywbeth debyg, oherwydd mi oedd yna canllawiau gwahanol pam oedd Alex yn pitio. So peidiwch cymryd hwnna fel enghraifft o union beth am i chwilio am, ond enghraifft o syniad gwych yn yr hac dwytha gen Alex. Mae gen i chydig o cwestiynau, so os dwi wedi cael yn selectio pitio, faint o hir fydd y pitch? Wel, dwi'n fwriadol heb ddeud hynna, oherwydd da ni'n gwybod eto, mae'n dibynnu faint o bobl fydd yn pitio. So fydd gennym ni tua awr i pitio, ond os da ni'n lwcus iawn, am yna 30 cais, fyddwch chi gyd yn cael lot llai o amser na os mae yna dim ond 5 ohonych chi. So fydda ni'n gallu deud hwnna o flaen llaw i chi, mae gen i ofn fydda ni'n deud chi yn lot nes at yr amser. Fydd ddim disgwyl chwaith os da chi ddim isio i chi wneud pitch deck, da chi'n mynd gorau wneud PowerPoint, fydwch chi ddangos o beth ar y sgrin, fydwch chi siarad fel dwi'n wneud rwan, hefo ddim byd efo chi, neu fydwch chi'n wneud PowerPoint, be bynnag sy'n haws i chi, so peidiwch â teimlo fel gewch chi clywed y diwrnod cynt bod chi'n gorfod paratoi PowerPoint hanner awr, fydd o ddim byd fel o gwbl. Sut fydd y 24,000 yn cael ei rhannu eto, mae dibynnu weithiau, mi geith un cwmni yr holl arian, ond os mae yna 2 syniad dirbeiniad methu penderfynu rhwngthyn nhw, fydd hwnna yn cael ei splitio. A mae'n dibynnu hefyd ar faint o arian ydych chi'n gofyn amdano, ella ydych chi ddim angen yr holl arian chwaith. Gnewch siŵr bod chi'n deud, os ydych chi yn pitio, faint o bres ydych chi'n chwilio am a beth ydych chi'n defnyddio fi. Ond fydd hwnna'n cael ei ddeitha chi hefyd os ydych chi yn mynd trwy pitio, so neu ddim overloadio chi efo'r holl manylion ar hyn o bryd. Byddwch chi'n cael y manylion yna os ydych chi angen nhw. A mae Tom di atab mewn lot o eiriau yn fi yn y chat. Diolch, Tom. Alex Foster. So dos am cwestiynau arall hyd yma. Dyna'r holl manylion dwi eisiau rhannu efo chi. Felly, mae o drosodd i chi rwan. Os oes gennych chi ddim cwestiynau, dim ots, croeso chi fynd i meddwl am eich syniad neu nôl eich cinio neu beth bynnag sy'n siwtio chi. Ond, os oes gennych chi dal cwestiynau, mi wnawn ni aros yma i ateb nhw am mor hir a da chi eisiau gofyn nhw. So os mae yna rhywun eisiau rhoi sylw neu cwestiwn neu unrhyw beth, fel dwi'n dweud, croeso chi roi llaw fyny a cymryd off mute, gewch chi roed o yn y chat neu gewch chi ofyn o yn y Q&A. Tom, os ti'n gallu rhoi dy e-bost eto yn y chat, a Iwan, os ti'n gallu rhannu y dolen eto, fysa hynna yn wych, please, just fel bob dim yn handi i bawb. Erbyn pryd mae angen cyflwyno'r syniad, so mae angen cyflwyno erbyn dydd Mercher y 28th, fydden ni'n edrych arnyn nhw adag yna, a wedyn fydd hwnna yn gadael diwrnod o hanner i chi cael clywed os da chi'n pitio a mynd ymlaen mwyn gwneud y cais lle. Dwi'n llyfiad allan os mae yna cwestiynau arall, neu'r hwch floedd os dwi wedi colli chi.
I'll just jump in while there's no other questions. Just to talk about Alex's journey there's a really good example of how the hack is supposed to work. You know, he had an idea there, he got it to a point where he could take it to market, but did all those things right, you know, in terms of testing the market, making sure people actually wanted the product he was developing, and coming out of it with a product that is actually now commercially viable is the end goal, really, and people are using it. 40,000 people is amazing. I think that's what you said, Alex, 40,000, 50,000. Yeah, that's incredible. So yeah, just really, that's the sort of progression we'd really like to see with it from the start to the finish. And one other thing to mention as well, in terms of the funding, if you can get an element of match funding into it, then that's also going to be really good as well. So there's no set percentage, but say if you were putting 20% of your own money into it to help push this along, then obviously that's something that we can see, you know, you really believe in this idea, or if you can find someone else to help match fund it. So it doesn't have to be match funded, but it's always a good thing if it is.
Gwych, diolch Tom. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Jeremy, sy wedi rhoi dolen yn yr chat iddyn ni hefyd. So mae yna adnodda yn fanna os da chi eisiau defnyddio yn eich ceisiadau. So mae hynna'n pwynt i nodi hefyd, os mae yna rhywbeth allan yna sy'n neud cyfieithu neu sy'n adnodd Gymraeg yn barod, a da chi'n defnyddio hwnna yn eich app neu beth bynnag chi, mae hynna'n oce hefyd. Tydi bob dim ddim yn gorfod fod yn hollol newydd, so os mae yna rhan o beth ydych chi'n adeiladu angen defnyddio adnodd sy'n bodoli'n barod, mae hynna'n iawn i wneud hefyd. So ia, diolch yn fawr iawn am rhannu hwnna. A diolch eto i Llywodraeth Cymru am cefnogi ni ac am roid yr arian ar gyfer yr hack heddiw. Heb hynna, fysa fo ddim yn digwydd. So diolch yn fawr i chi ac am ymuno ar galwad hefyd. Os gen unrhyw cwestiynau arall, dwi'n trio cadw llygad ar y ddau chat ag arnoch chi gyd, ond ydych chi'r dau sgrin gwahanol gennau. Na, dwi'n meddwl bod hynna'n phopeth. O, Gaz, dwi'n ei weld cefndir cwl chdi. Mae Gaz ti fewn i ryw gef o fan'na, gwych. Fantastic. Dwi'n meddwl dyna ni felly, ond os ydych chi'n meddwl am wbath ar ôl ni darfod yr galwad yma, peidiwch a phoeni, fel da ni'n deud, da ni yma i ateb eich cwestiynau. Mae gennych chi gyd y wefannau wedi bookmarkio ar eich browser, dwi'n siŵr, yn barod i checio fo, so fydd unrhyw cwestiwn gennych chi mwy na thebyg wedi cael ei ateb o fanna. Os ddim, Tom ydy'ch cyswllt, so croeso i chi e-bostio fo unrhyw bryd efo unrhyw cwestiwn pellach. Mi fyddwn ni yma i cefnogi chi ar y siwrna. Felly, na jyst wneud check ola. Na, da ni'n oce. Mi na i dechrau ddod â ni i ben felly. Mi fydd y recordiad yma ar gael, na ni rhannu fo ar cyfryngau cymdeithasol Msparc, a na ni'n rhoid o ar y wefan hack holl bwysig na i chi hefyd, i chi gael gwylio nôl rhag ond bod chi wedi colli unrhyw beth. Dwi'n wir edrych ymlaen i gweld y ceisiadau yn dod i fewn, ac os ydych chi ddim yn llwyddiannus ar y dydd, fel os Tom yn deud, mi wnawn ni'n gorau hefyd i ffeindio ffynhonnell arall i'ch cefnogi chi, os da ni'n meddwl bod nhw'n syniadau gwych, ac ffyrdd i chi gydweithio hefyd mwyn symud y syniad yn ei blaen. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i gweld pawb unwaith eto, a croeso i chi ddod, cofiwch i cefnogi pobl tra maen nhw'n gwneud eu pitch a helpu'n gilydd allan. Fel da chi wedi gweld heddiw, da ni'n tueddu i wneud rhain yn eitha agored, yn eitha hwyl, da ni'n trio wneud o mor braf a bosib, gyda'n distractio gyn cath, Neil fan'na yn dod trwy'r ffenast. So da ni jyst yn cael bach o hwyl hefyd, so peidiwch a teimlo bod arian ar gael a bod wedi cael ei noddi gan y Llywodraeth bod yn rhywbeth serious. Dewch i gael hwyl hefyd, dewch i dangos chydig o'ch personoliaeth i ni gael ddod i'n nabo chi a gweld pwy da ni'n gweithio fo hefyd. Felly, na ydych chi i gael eich cinio. Diolch eto am ymuno, a dwi'n edrych ymlaen at Mawrth y cyntaf i gweld pawb eto. Pob lwc a hwyl am y tro.